Hi guys, I welcome you back to Digital Assets. In this video, we'll be talking about how to set up your core asset account. So the reason why you must need core asset account is that Core has already told its miners that they should be linking their wallet address so that they will be able to withdraw on 6 February. So in order for you to withdraw, you have to set up your asset wallet address. So without wasting much of our time, let us get down to business. The first thing you have to do is that you have to make sure you update your app on Play Store. So update your app on Play Store. Once you do that, then click on me, click on your Gmail here, then click on asset password. So if you are new to this, you just have to type your your asset password will be different from this main password. As you can see, this is the normal main password that you have to use to log in if you want to log in on Satoshi, but this is the asset password if you want to send fund out or you want to withdraw. This is the asset password. It will be different from your main password that you are using to log in, so make sure you are using different for both of the things. So once you say if you are new to this they will ask you to type your password and just set up the remaining thing. So if you already use asset but you forgot, you can just do what? You can just type the old password there, then click on, or if you don't remember, you can just click on forget new password. So if you click on forget asset password, they will ask you to input they will send you a code to your email. So once you do that, then just copy the code and paste it into that, then and do the next thing. So that's how to set up your asset password account. So I think this is helpful. In our next video, we'll be talking about how to add core wallet into MetaMask. So make sure you subscribe. If you have already subscribed, make sure you turn on the notification bell so that whenever I drop a video, you'll be among the first people to hear the latest one. See you in the next one. Bye.